find the missing term. 2, 8, 26, 80, 242, 728, 2186. What is the next number? So options given is like this. So we can solve. 2 is the first one. So 2 is as it is. So 8. So 2 into 3 we get 6 plus 2 we get 8. Then 8 into 3, 24 plus 2 we get 26. Then 26 into 3 we get 78. 78 plus 2 we get 80. Then 80 into 3 plus 2. 80 into 3 is equal to 240. 240 plus 2, 242. Then 242 into 3, which is equal to 3 into 2, 6. 3 4s are 12. Carry over 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 726 plus 2, we get 728. Then 728 into 3. Let's check. 8 3s are 24. 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Carry over 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 8 3s are 24. 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 3s are 21. So 2184 plus 2. 2184 plus 2, which is equal to 84 plus 2, 86. Next term we have to find 2186 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. Carry over 1. 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25. Carry over 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 5 5 8. 6 2186 into 3 plus 2. This is equal to 6558. 6558 plus 2, which is equal to 6560. So option A is the answer, 6560. So the missing term is 6560. So this is the answer. Thanks for watching.